Are you too busy to keep up with chores? Do you wish you had good help, but have limited space in the kitchen? Bosch dishwashers are #1 in the world. If you're looking to get the best dishwashing help for a small household, this Bosch Series 2 semi-integrated dishwasher may just be the perfect fit for you.
My apartment is small. Given the space constraint, I try to keep things minimal and neat. I'm quite fussy about aesthetics, so I chose a dishwasher that goes well with my kitchen design and doesn't take up too much space. This gives me more space for storage and I can keep things neat. And it's not just elegant, it has a great performance, it's energy efficient, and it's also very quiet. It's really ideal for my lifestyle, so I'm very happy with it.
I love having close friends and family come around for meals, and quite often I end up hosting back-to-back parties. We have pretty elaborate meals, so it's easy to use up all of my serving utensils in just one sitting. So having a good dishwasher that can keep up is absolutely essential. I really like that my dishwasher lets me speed up the wash cycle, so it only takes half the time to get my dishes clean and dry. So even after hosting a big lunch, I can rest easy that my utensils will be ready for the next group at dinner. This has been so helpful, especially for big occasions.
I invest in quality appliances because, well, I work long hours and I really don't have time for household chores. So I count on them to make my life easier. So other than being able to perform their functions well, durability is also very important to me. I want my appliances to last long, and I understand that maintenance is important. But of course, I prefer if the maintenance is also easy and fuss-free. With my dishwasher, I can just press a button and it runs a machine care program. This removes grime and limescale, so it helps to preserve the performance of the dishwasher over the long term. It's so easy to maintain, and I get to prolong the lifespan of the appliance.
I'm a bit of a geek, so I get excited when I can integrate tech into my home to make life easier. One of the reasons I like my Bosch dishwasher is because it comes with this app called Home Connect. This app alerts me on my smartphone when the dishwashing's done, so I can be playing a game or watching TV without having to check on the dishwasher. It also lets me know when it needs maintenance, so it kind of takes care of me and itself. It takes the thinking off my hands. It's exactly how a smart home appliance should add value, by making everyday life easier.
The Bosch Series 2 semi-integrated dishwasher makes a sleek and powerful addition to a small kitchen, with a customizable door panel that integrates beautifully with your kitchen design. You can count on it to take the dishwashing chore right out of your hands and experience the beauty, power, and reliability of German engineering in action every time.